Let's start from the small overview of what exactly going on here. We are right now inside of the overview tab on the left side, here where all of our workflows will be gathered. You can see under workflows tab right now, I have only one. Next to the workflow, we have credentials. Once we click on the credentials, we can see all of the credentials that we have in place right now. So we can connect to the different platforms using API. Let's click, for example, on OpenAI credential. Here, we can see that we can, for example, click, replace it with other API key, save it, so everything can be managed and updated here. And as we launched it, you can see connection tested successfully, which is cool because as we create any API keys, as we adding any API keys, and it then automatically checks the connection and if everything okay, which is really useful. I like it. And the next step is executions. This is just the history of all of your workflow executions. So you can go and check if everything was working correctly or just curious about history. It's already up to you. Below we can see variables. You don't really need this. This can be used to store and access data across different workflows. Right now we're learning about just one workflow. Let's not add additional complexity. But if you need one, you can use one. Another part is templates. Really love it because you can actually download workflows and automations from other people. This is good for learning. And this is good for exploring something that you might want to build yourself. So maybe it's already built out there and you can just go copy it, tweak it in your shape or form and use the automation. Once again, super cool for learning and for practical usage. So you can take your time and check it out once you're interested. But let's get back to the overview section. And this is actually what you're going to see when you're opening N8N for the first time. So there are a couple of options. You can start from scratch clicking here, or you can click create new workflow in the corner. It's basically the same, no issue at all to pick just one of it. Let's click start from scratch, for example. This is the canvas that we're going to work with. Right now it's empty because there's nothing added, right? There are a couple of points that I want to talk here right now, that as you're working with your automations, you can see the save button. So don't forget to click the save button once in a while so you don't lose your progress. And also the canvas is completely movable. You can see a small preview here. So it's super easy to navigate. And if you zoom in, zoom out, so you would be able to see where is exactly what's and roughly understand the structure if you're building some like really big automations and really complex one.